Yo, what's good, my people? So I was asked if the ICT concepts usually work on derived synthetic indices on derived platform, and I decided to make this video for the guys who want to trade forex on that, made with the concept of ICT, and I would like to show you how you can identify the few things that we have learned in forex and transfer them to this platform and be able to capitalize and make your gains with this market, since forex, these indices are kind of the same thing, and I think they use almost the same concepts, high, lows, and everything. So with that, I would love to get into the video, and I would love to review like these latest trade on 30th January, since 30th January, and I would love to start from the start of 30th January. This market usually run 24/7, so most of the people try to capitalize on them since they run 24/7. So with this, you'll first start with the 24-hour like candle. You want to see the highs and the lows of the previous day, so that you can frame your trade and you can at least know the trend, be on the side of the trend with these trades. So let us dive in. Let us see first 24 hours, or if you want to get into this platform, you can just search derive trading view. I will leave the link down there. I don't seem to recall it very well, but I just came across the video for this, and for a request for this, and decided to just make a video for that. Don't know why it's loading a lot, but we can start with the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, it was a very nice sell day, and the previous day was a buy day. And how you could know that the market has changed its direction to a sell from a buy, you will first notice that we are on a sell trend. You will always likely want to trade on the direction of the trend. As you can see here, this is a very nice sell trend here, and the market is taking out the lower lows instead of the higher highs. That's meaning it's a selling day, and you will drop down to a 1-hour time frame, so that you can identify the highs and the lows that have been taken out. On this previous day, on 29th January, you will notice that this high was taken out, forming a nice market structure shift for the market. Since it formed the lower low, then the high was taken out, a nice market structure shift was formed. And with this, on this day, you would love to take a nice buy trade here, taking your positions here and your second positions here. I usually take my profits on the bodies of the candle. I don't put my take profit on the wicks. I usually consider to take my take profits on the body of the candle, since I find it like very efficient with my trading strategy. So after that, on the next day, after 12 midnight, on the next rollover day, you will notice that the market took out these lows that were created when the market was going up, and you will actually consider that the market has resumed its trend, since it was on a sell trend, and you will want to take your trade mostly here on the market open, since I noticed on derive, like when a day opens, the market usually goes only on one direction. This volatility 50 index, I decided to make the video with the volatility index. But if you want me to review your other trades that you do with other indexes here, you will just comment on the comment section below, and I will try and review everything. So with that, you will, on a 1-hour time frame, you will notice these are on the new day, on the 30th, yesterday. So you will want, this is the low to this high. It was taken out here. This is on a 1 hour time frame. I will drop down to 15 minutes so that you can get the perspective of the high and the low time frame at the same time, and see how we could refine our trade when the market opened here. When the market opened here, you will see a nice, very nice Judas swing. These are Judas swings which tricks people that the market is still going on the other direction, continuing with the other direction. But in real sense, it's just a Judas swing manipulating people for that, so that if they put their stops here, it comes and their stops will be here, of the people who think that the market is still going to the other direction, and you will be stopped out here. But with that, you will notice that the market took out this low, and it will be a very nice signal that there is a continuation of the sell move. The market structure shift that we saw on the 1 hour, we can drop down to around 5 minutes so that we can further refine our trade and be able to capitalize on the trade well. You will see another 5 minutes. This is a 5-minute candle. I'm reviewing this chart as I go on, since I did not pre-review since before this video, but I'm reviewing it. I'm telling you what the concept and what I see in the market and how you could be able to capitalize on this. This is still the Judas swing that I told you about, and you will want to see here in the 5 minutes. You will see a nice market structure shift here. The market structure shift, since you will want to take your trade on the region where you'll want to take your trade on the near your stop loss. Since your stop loss might be here on the high of this candle, you are waiting for a nice market structure shift or an indication that the market is still going to continue with the uptrend. But with this, you will see first the market took out this order block, then rallied up, taking out this high, then started going lower. It formed another high and a higher high here, and with this it took out the low of these highs. It's a nice light bulb moment to show you that the market wants to go down and continue the trend. We will remember that previously on the 1 hour we identified that the market was selling, and here the market took out this low here and retraced to this fair value gap that is present here. This is a very nice indication that the market is going low, and there is no risk that you could take, you could get while when you want to trade your sell position, putting your stop loss here and your take profits maybe here, going down for the day. So on the 5-minute candle, the market was it took out the low here, retraced to this fair value gap, failed to take out this high, and continued lower and lower for the day, taking out the low that was formed here. And you will notice when you take a nice sell position here, a nice short position here, you will put your stop loss here. Your first take profit will be here on this low that was formed here, and as you can see, it could be a very nice 1 to 2 trade, of which you could I don't know these values, but you could go on a nice 1 to 2 trade, and you can continue and to hold your trade until your TP reaches the low of this candle, since it is your assumption that the market is continuing with the trend, since you're speculative and you are predicting the market. So this was a very nice sell trade, 1 to 8 trade. The whole day you will be holding on a position, and I'm sure you could have gained a nice profit return with these positions. And you can see in the middle of these candles, after this market structure shift, the one we saw on the 1 hour time frame, you'll notice the market went down and retraced back, fail to take out this high here, this might be another position where if you missed the top one, you will see that the market failed to take out this low, this high here, and immediately when you see it failed to take out this high here, you will want to see another market structure shift after this happened, which you will identify it here in case you missed taking the first position. A nice market structure shift, taking out this low, and the market retraced to this inefficiency here and here. These are two inefficiencies, three in fact. After that, you'll want to take another short position here, a sell, putting your stop loss on the high which failed to take out this, and continuing your trade. Another nice 1 to 4 trade, of which it didn't reach any of your position up here. And with that, the right guys who trade binary, you can switch to forex and stop. And as per my opinion, like, stop wasting your money on bots, since the bots usually don't work well with some small accounts or something. But for me, with my experience, I've never seen a nice profitable guy using a bot. With that, goodbye guys, see you on the next video.